Hello friends, I am Aryan Pokhriyal and today in this video I am going to explain you about my dashboard that I've built as per the Code Basics Resume Challenge 1. So this resume project challenge has been organized by Mr. Dhaval Patel sir and Mr. Heman Vadivel sir. First, let's talk about the project statement of the challenge. So our project statement is to provide the insights to the revenue team in the hospitality domain. Then, before going to the dashboard, let's talk about for whom we are going to perform this challenge. So, we are going to provide the insights to the revenue team of Atlic Hotels. So, what are Atlic Hotels? So, Atlic Hotels owns multiple five-star hotels across India and they own them in specific four major cities of India. So, these cities are Hyderabad, Mumbai, Delhi, and Bangalore. But due to the strategic moves of their competitors and ineffective decision making in management, Adlic hotels are losing their revenue and market share in the industry. Hence, to overcome this and to correct these issues, Adlic Hotels has hired a third party analytical team in which I am playing the role of a data analyst. Here, we are provided with the 3 months of Adlic Hotels data for booking. So for month of May, June and July. The data set contains 5 Excel files and 3 reference files for measures and dashboard. So this is the mockup dashboard that we have to prepare. On the left side, you can see the filter pane, which contains different types of filters that can be applied to the mockup dashboard. And in the middle, you can see different types of visuals that are used to gain the insights. So at the top, we can see the KPI cards. In the right, we can see the line chart that represents the trends. In the middle, we can see the stacked bar charts and the tables which contains key metrics and many more. So the expected outcomes to consider before we move to the dashboard. First and the foremost, to gain the insights about the metrics where our business is failing and what we can do to overcome them. Second, to understand the revenue, occupancy, and rating trends by week or by month. Third, but not least, to help the poor performing hotels and regain their market share. And if we do this, we can regain the overall market share of the Atlic hotels. So this is the dashboard that I have created, and you can see on the left we have the filter pane as per the mockup. And at the top, I have 6 different KPI cards according to the domain, hospitality domain. Then we have tables, line charts, stack bar charts, and even heat maps. So for analytics, for example, let's say you are a representative of the revenue team of, let's say, one hotel. Let's choose Atlic Exotica. So you can see all the visuals have changed because of the filter applied for Atlic Exotica. You can see, okay, the Atlic Exotica has done 320 million. So 0.32 billion is equal to 320 million in revenue. Okay, they have occupancy of 57.26%, and their realization is also very good, and it has increased. Below the KPI cards, you can see the green and red arrows, which shows the week over week change. So what is week over week change? It is basically the change, the percentage change between the values of the current week and the last week. Okay, so you can see the week over week change for each KPI card. Okay, and then you can see the table has been filtered out according to the property name selected. Now I want to show you one more visualization, which is this one at the bottom, revenue by city and hotel. So you can see the revenue of Atlic Exotica in all the 3 cities So Adelaide Exotica is only available in 3 cities: Mumbai, Hyderabad, and Bangalore. So the revenue of Adelaide Exotica has been divided into the different cities. Then you have occupancy by day type. So this shows that in Adelaide Exotica, how much occupancy happens at what type of day. So how much occupancy occurs at weekends in Adelaide Exotica, and how much occupancy occurs in weekdays at Adelaide Exotica. So you can see that weekends get more occupancy than weekdays. For note, Adelaide hotels have Sunday to Thursday as their weekdays and Friday to Saturday as their weekends. Then, if you want, you can also use a drill down option that is available in this visual also. So if I unselect Adelaide Exotica, or basically I can click on this visual and clear all the filters, then you can see the total revenue that each city has incurred is basically divided into each cities. Okay, then you can select one city and you can drill down. This means that, let me drill it up once again. So you can see Mumbai has done 668.64 million in revenue. So now I will drill it down. I have gone into the next level of analysis. Okay. So now that 669 million of revenue has been divided by the different property names or the different hotels. So you can see Adelaide Exotica, as always, has the top position. Then comes Atlantic Palace, then City, then Guards, then sorry Grands, then Blue, then Seasons, then Bay. So that's how the drill down function works. So then you can see here is the line chart that shows occupancy percentage and average ratings by week, the trend, how they flow throughout the weeks. Okay. So if you want, you can also no specifically say a part of these weeks by choosing the month. So I chose May. So you can see that in May, occupancy percentage for all the hotels in all the cities was total 61.96%, and the average rating was 3.65. Then the occupancy dropped, but not that significantly, but the average ratings did. Then both both of them dropped significantly. Then occupancy rose, but the average ratings again dropped. Then again, then again, and you can go like choosing each month, since each month has, you know 4 weeks in total. So you can see no every 4 weeks trend, and you can see the movement of occupancy percentage and average ratings. Then you have the average ratings by city. So average rating of the hotels in each city. Okay, so Delhi has the highest, ratings, 3.8, then Hyderabad, then Mumbai, then Bangalore. Besides that is the heat map that shows total bookings by platform. Okay, so the heat map shows what type of booking platform has covered, has taken how much area in the heat map, and the larger the area, the more it acquires, the more it has contributed. We can infer that others, booking platform which are other booking platforms that we don't know, have done the most have done the most bookings. So since we don't know what are the others, we can go to the data engineer and ask them that what are these other types of booking platforms. If you know, then please correct them so that we can get a better analysis and get better insights. So now let's go to the second view that I've created. This is the KPI view which I created because I thought that there are much more things in this challenge that can be, you know, uh, shown as a part of the project. So here you can see again the KPI cards, but some of them are new, which are the total bookings, successful bookings, and the total capacity. So total bookings are the total bookings done in a hotel. Successful booking are the ones that are paid for. Then the total capacity of a hotel. Here you can also filter them out according to each hotel. Like for Atelier Exotica, since Atelier Exotica is our top scorer, so Atelier Exotica has done this much revenue, it has this much bookings, and then whatever the bookings were done, all of them were successful, but the total capacity was much higher than the successful bookings. So, which means that we can improve the bookings, even though we have such nice bookings, we can still improve them.